I'm Michel Geller, and I'm Director of MIS and IT at VisionRT. We use Learning Manager to build courses, so record videos and things, etc., and quizzes that go with them, etc., to enable our customers to learn about the use of our system. This has got a big importance for it because it enables them to have training on demand on topics that they're interested in. I would say even economically, it saves us quite a lot of resourcing because we don't have to always travel to customer site or make our customers travel to our training sites. It was really easy to use, create and upload training courses. The important side of it was the fact that we could have on one platform all big knowledge base and LMS. I will not hide the fact that the price was competitive as well compared to some others. You're selling more and you're dealing with more. We have now about 3,000 systems installed worldwide, and these are very high-end medical systems. And that means that ProProfs is, if I want to focus back on ProProfs, is more relevant because we do more training. There's more things about which we need to train. There's more knowledge to be shared. So both the learning management system side of ProProfs and the knowledge-based side of ProProfs are increasingly important.
One of the things that we didn't mention is the flexibility that ProProfs has. Because of your APIs, things are really flexible. For example, if we are onboarding a new user, we are right now trying to use your APIs to automatically create that user in ProProfs. Recently, with the various imports, the SCORM files, how easily we can upload other courses into ProProfs has been very beneficial. So yeah, these are some of the things that they really like.
I think it's very important for me to add that working with Jacob has been a big factor of us, having a positive experience. He has really genuinely been a real key customer success manager, not just by name, but by deed. The success we have had is to a great extent a credit to Jacob. Well, my impression is that you guys are dynamic. You are ready to listen to your concerns. Clearly, you've got technical assets there and probably a good development team that does good stuff. So that's good. It's a company with which we feel we can do business.